Hello, hello! Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koosje Koenen and I make weekly videos that I hope will inspire your sketchbook practice. And not only that, I wrote a book about it. The book Life is Better When You Draw It is an illustrated book for people who love drawing and who need inspiration, and that might just be you. It's about how drawing can make you happy, how you can incorporate the sketchbook habit in your life, and there's a lot of drawings from my sketchbooks in it. Follow the link in the description below the video to see how you can get a copy. For today's video I have something simple and fun for us. We'll start making a mark on the page with watercolor wash, or maybe we do a bunch, so they become like colored frames, and then we can draw on top. I'm using a large flat brush, but you can basically use any kind of brush. However, the bigger the brush, the easier it is to create a little wash. And I'm just making small marks here. They are square or rectangle, but think about circles or anything you like really. You could also just do a simple blob, and you can do one or many. Make sure that you clean your brush before picking a new color, because otherwise your wash will become a little bit muddy. And I think this is also a great way to practice making washes. So try picking up a lot of pigment, try picking up less pigment and mix with more water. What is the result of it and which do you like most? You actually created frames for yourself and you can draw on top of them. You don't need to stay inside the frame. It could be really playful to draw your line outside of the line, so to say. If you want to draw on top, then it is important that your colors aren't too saturated or too dark, because you want to still see line on top. However, if you use really dark colors, it could be exciting to experiment with a white line, like a white gel pen. And there is this stubborn misconception that your subject should matter and that your drawing should have some kind of big message. But the subject that you choose for your drawing doesn't have to be grand and compelling at all. What matters is that you draw. You don't have to start a drawing with a carefully considered idea or an important story. In fact, it's better if you don't, because this creates all kinds of expectations that could actually prevent you from getting started at all. Just start drawing. Pick something random that catches your eye at that moment. Everything becomes interesting as soon as you draw it, and that's why I love drawing mundane stuff, things around me. I really hope that this video inspires you to create a colorful page with drawings that are just kind of random stuff around you. Thank you for watching, and if you like my Draw Tip Tuesday videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and also check out my Patreon page. For just a few dollars a month, you can support me to keep making these videos every week and make them available for free for everyone. I will see you next week. Bye!